Whatever work we are doing doesn't matter, but we should not cheat the person with whom we are doing some business. That is the secret of our success. Very honest man can very nicely have his living, and cheater will end up in prisons. This is the knowledge. For example, if you are instructing some man to drive nicely, then you have taken Lakshmi from him, you have taken some money from him. So be honest to him and try to do your best to teach him. This is how you should worship through your prescribed duties. There was a potter one, Goda. His name was Goda, and we call them, in our language it is known as Kambar. Kambar, yes, in Hindi, They make pots and these lamps and everything, And in India you see so many, at the outskirts of the town, there will be a small factory, with one wheel going around, no battery, just manpower. You will put the stick into it and move the wheel very fast and make the pots very nice. Now, I think the batteries will go there also. And the more we are battery conscious, we lose our existence, because we don't depend upon our own things. So, this way, he got liberated through his pots, because he will not sell any pot with a hole into it to anybody, thinking that, oh, what he knows, I can earn money. No, that is not worship, that is not puja. But you give them the best. You are taking Lakshmi from them, so don't cheat them. Anyhow, whether you cheat or not, whether you get Lakshmi or not, you are not going to carry with you anything. These material things are not going to come with you. We don't have to do with these material things. Only to minimum extent we require for our survival and for our family maintenance. That is enough. And then we should be Krishna conscious all the time throughout our duty. And that is how we should see the other party. And we should always see through their eyes, not our eyes. We see through our eyes, and so we want to extract money from them. Whatever duty you are doing, be honest, and people will be after you, that you are a very good person, and please come to my place and work. And this is a devotee. The devotee does not become lazy in his work. He works very nicely. He performs his duty to the best of his ability and very sincerely. They are very careful to perform their activities. They don't run away from their activities. They don't run away from their families. They don't leave the wife and children alone and enjoy themselves. No, that is not Krishna consciousness. You may go to the temple, you may change the clothes, and if you behave in this way, you are a pretender, mithyachara. But through your work, you should worship, whatever your work may be. And in your work, you are definitely going to come in touch with the public. So please, when you get in touch with somebody, don't think that he is for your exploitation. He is not meant for our exploitation. He is meant to be helped. And that is, so karmana tam abhyarcha siddhim mindati manava. Manav, living entities, siddhim mindati, they can become perfect. Swa karmana tam abhyarcha, by our own karmas, we can worship the Lord and attain the perfection. There is no need of running from it. And that way, the society becomes pure, the activities become very pure, everybody becomes very satisfied, and you are progressing. This way we should try to ingrain that attitude in our whole existence.